We're about to create a sick Rainbow Six Siege custom PC thanks to Aorus and Nvidia. Hope you all enjoy. PC parts are ridiculous right now, way overpriced. However, this free browser extension Karma, formerly known as ShopTagger, can help us save lots of money and even make money. We build PCs daily and have saved so much through Karma. Especially with today's shortage of PC parts, Karma notifies me when a PC part is back in stock. Visit the Google Chrome store to install the browser extension and create an account. I'll leave the links in the video description. Shop for your favorite PC parts or items in general and save them to get notified when there is a price drop. They even notify you about available coupon codes. Karma will even scan the internet for the best coupon codes available at checkout to help save you hard-earned money. We just saved 36%. Set up your saved items into lists to help categorize and manage them as well. And take advantage of the cashback picks to help earn money back via PayPal. Karma is completely free and it saves you money, so it's a no-brainer really. Download the Chrome extension for PC and mobile using the links in the video description. today's Rainbow Six Siege PC is not done yet. We will be sending this over to Brian from Tech Yes City to test out a new Nvidia technology called Nvidia Reflex. In short, Nvidia Reflex can be enabled in certain titles, such as Rainbow Six Siege, to reduce system latency in GPU-intensive scenes. You will now be up to date with a more accurate location of your target. You'll be able to click their head a lot easier. Brian will have more information on this topic very soon. For the system specs, we have the Z490 Aorus Master motherboard paired with an AORUS RTX 3080 graphics card. For the CPU, we had to use our 10900K because we do have all of our other CPUs on reserve for other systems. There is a 280mm liquid cooler on the CPU from AORUS. This is actually a new version that's just come out. And the good thing about this is you can actually twist the screen to whichever direction you want. All of the custom panels on this case are just laser cut out. We painted over the writing, and we also made a Rainbow Six Siege logo up the top here, and of course we've got the skull on the side. This is of course the Antag P120 crystal case, and we've paired that up with a few Leon Lee uni fans up the top here and down the bottom. Anyway, if you want to see more of the specs, I'll leave those in the description. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, consider subscribing, and check out more videos. We'll have two on the side for you guys to check out. One recommended by YouTube and one by me. So go and take your pick if you enjoyed. If you want to support the channel, Patreon or YouTube channel memberships is the way to do that. I'll leave those links in the video description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you all in the next one.